Surely this is to prevent an over-powerful executive attempting to demand,
The honourable gentleman, I can't quite read his lips, but I think he's saying if only.
Yes.
I think he's saying if only. But the honourable lady must be heard. Angela Regal.
Speaker, it's an attempt to prevent an executive from browbeating Parliament and making certain that it votes again and again and again on the same thing until it gets it right. Now, surely, Mr. Speaker, this is an important defence of freedom in our democracy. And does he agree with me that when we have a government which is attempting to browbeat Parliament and set up a Parliament versus the people false narrative, that this is even more important?
The short answer to the honourable lady is yes. I sought, colleagues, to frame my statement in factual terms, and it was, whether people agree with it or not, closely argued. And I did not go in for adjectival excess on this occasion. It is, however, part of the thinking of the chair that the House should not be continually bombarded with a requirement to consider the same matter over and over and over again. And there are people who are concerned about such a prospect, the possibility of being browbeaten or harassed or intimidated. And in the context of the March the 18th statement that I made to the House, I was very aware of commentary in the public square along the lines of, well, we'll bring it back 26 times if necessary until we get the outcome. And that was a factor in my judgment that a ruling from the chair needed to be given. Absence of Speaker intervention on this matter, on the same question convention, since 1920 or thereabouts, is attributable, colleagues, not to the discontinuation of the convention, but rather to general compliance with it. And it is for the protection of the House. And we also